Welcome back to Ledsnbaggs YouTube channel. We are honored and blessed today, but we would like to go over this quick install of the Shock&Awe Ciro complete bike kit. And when I say complete bike, we have lit this baby up from front to the middle to the back. There's a lot of bikes out there running around with just the middle and the back and no front. So like I said, we're gonna cut the lights out and show you how to go through this this kit and look how beautiful it is. Let's get to it. And also, before we turn the lights out, we want to look and see how clean the install is, as far as not seeing any lighting, hiding as much wire as we can. That's what we strive here at Ledsnbaggs. So we strive to hide as much wire as can and make sure that you don't see the lights, so it's a surprise. Versus walking up on you and say, hey, that guy got a light kit, you know, let's get him turned on. So we shoot for more of the glow than versus seeing the lights. I ran across so many bikes where the lights are installed on the outside of the tank. They're in crazy places. I mean, yeah, it looked good when, you know, far away. When you get on it, you got light strips everywhere. So like I said, we're gonna go ahead and get the lights cut out and see how this thing does. All right, you want to go over to your smartphone. I don't know if you guys can see that pretty good. Kinda. All right, so you want to download the Shock&Awe kit and you connect to your bike. Once you connect to your bike, you just hit this power button down here and voila. There you have it. Now, you can go to anywhere on this color map here. You can change it to anything you want to do. How bright you want to do it, how fast. You can do whatever. This app will also allow you to take pictures. So you can take a picture of your shirt. If your shirt is like a red color or a pink or whatever case may be, it'll capture that color and it'll send that signal over to the lights and it'll light the bike up. You can scroll down here to the blue section, purple, and you can go deep purple, real deep look. So you can figure out what color looks good with your bike setup. Some bikes look real good with the purple. I have a red bike, so I tend to run red a lot or run white. Like I said, it all depends on what you want to do. That's just giving it a little bit of light down in the dark area. Not really, it's like almost off. But I guess if you just want it real low, may not be as bright, you can go down here to the pinks. It's just a matter of me changing the dial here on the screen here. All right, guys, I switched hands here. Control the phone a little better on my right hand. So, like I said, you just switch it here on the dial where you want it. You want that green. You want a real bright green. You want to come down a little light green. So it depends on what you want to do. Now you can make it flash, but you can change the consistency of your flash, so you can make it fast. Whoops, yeah, flash fast or slow. I'm sorry, right here, intervals. There we go. Fast flash, or slow flash. You can make it breathe, so you just select breathe right here on the app, and you can make it breathe kind of fast. You could know it's trying to manipulate your color, but you can force it over to what color you want and make it breathe a little bit. I usually roll with constant color, and I go over to my red or whatever looks good on my bike. I like that real deep red. There we go. Look at there. That's all the way up. That blood red. So that's what I usually roll with on my red Road Glide. Now, we'll tone it down a little bit. Now you can also go into your settings here. If you're playing music, you can set it to dance to the music a little bit. Your camera option is here on the screen, so you can take a picture of your t-shirt, a sign or something. If it's a nice color, favorite color that you like, you take a picture of it. Like I said, it'll be sent over to the lights, and they'll do their best they can to match the color. Not saying it's gonna be dead on, but it'll be close. There's a race mode. So if you have your phone mounted and you want to do a little race, I've never messed with these other settings besides the lights. I guess when you go to race mode, the lights automatically cut off. I turn them back on, then turn them on, just as simple as going to your app, hitting the on and off button. Simple as that. Alright guys, like I said, it's a quick video. We appreciate you watching, appreciate the support. Make sure you like, share, and comment on this. And if you're in the area, or you can reach out to us at Ledsnbaggs.com to get your light kit ordered and get it dialed in. I'm gonna swim over to the other side of the bike so you guys can see that side of the bike, and until the next one, hey, y'all be safe. Peace.